Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today. Today we're going to be making creamy coconut shrimp. As you can see, these are the ingredients we're going to use. Yes, this is going to be a very simple and easy recipe. Very tasty. Come on guys, let's get started. Okay, let's begin by seasoning our beautiful shrimp. Look at these shrimp with salt and pepper. Let's just spread it nicely. I'm going to mix them up. Okay, that's perfect. Now, again guys, you just want to mix it nicely. These have been room temperature. Okay guys, let's just add some oil to this pot that's already been heated up. We're going to saute our onions. And our garlic. Okay. Let's just cook these down. Alright, let's get these shrimp in there, guys. Look at these shrimps. Delicious. Alright. You know me, we want flavor. That's what we reaching for. Cook these nicely. Oh wow. These smell wonderful. All these flavors coming together. Let it cook nicely. Okay guys, as you can see, my shrimp are looking very nice. I don't want to cook it no more than that because we're going to add our nice cream. Our coconut milk. And we want all that flavor to get in to our wonderful creams. Coconut milk is in there. Let's let this come to a wonderful simmer and bring this down. Okay? Okay, we're going to let this simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. Let these flavors lock in, and then we're going to come back and check on it. Alright guys, this is looking great. We're just going to add our cheese. Wow. Oh, smells delicious. Wow, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Look at those shrimps. Nice and creamy and rich. This is delicious. Okay guys, just a little bit more and you're going to see it. 2 more minutes. Okay guys, oh this is wonderful. Creamy coconut shrimp. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. This is delicious. It's ready to go. Look at that. Wow. This is what I'm saying. Simple and easy. It goes great over rice. That's it, guys. Guys, thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and I would love to hear from you. Feel free to leave your comments. Until next time.